Hi, today I'll show you my 10-minute face workout that will help you wake up, reduce puffiness, and bring back a healthy glow to your skin. After this practice, you'll feel lightness all over your face. Your eyes will look more open, your jawline more defined, and your skin smoother. It's the perfect way to start your morning. No puffiness, no heaviness, no dullness. No complicated techniques. Just follow along with me. Don't forget to save this video and give it a like so you can easily come back to it tomorrow. You can also watch it first and then do the full routine with me when you're ready. Are you ready? Let's begin. As always, we start with deep breathing. Place your hands on your ribs and feel how they expand. Make sure you don't get dizzy. If you, like me, are prone to swelling, this is essential to relieve morning puffiness. It's absolutely necessary because breathing is the main pump of the lymph. Deep inhales and exhales start the movement of fluid in the body, improve lymph flow from the face, and help quickly remove morning puffiness. With your knuckles, massage the chest from the center toward the shoulders. Don't press too hard, just massage gently. This way we open the chest muscles, which became tight overnight, and activate the lymphatic pathways. When these muscles relax, the chest expands more easily with each inhale. Breathing becomes deeper and freer. At the end, tap the chest with your fingers, especially in the center where the thymus is located. Tapping and light massage in the sternum area stimulate the intercostal muscles and fascia of the chest. After sleep, they are often a bit tight, especially if you slept on your side or slouched. Place the clavicle between your fingers and gently massage it from above and below. You can rub or knead. The main thing is that it's not painful. We improve circulation and relieve swelling. Under the clavicles lies one of the main lymphatic collectors. This is where lymph from the entire face, neck, and head drains. If this area is tense, the fluid cannot flow freely downward, and puffiness remains. Gentle massage of the clavicles helps open the gates of lymph flow, relieve stagnation, improve circulation, and reduce facial puffiness. Perform circular movements with your shoulders. 10 times backward, 10 times forward. Try to feel the movement of the shoulder blades. Don't lift your neck. Make this movement pleasant. It gently awakens the body, activates blood circulation, and helps relieve morning stiffness. In the morning, this is exactly what we need. Now perform head turns to the sides, gently, without sudden movements, to one side and the other. Try to look over your shoulder with your eyes. This relaxes the neck, improves the mobility of the cervical vertebrae, and enhances blood circulation to the face. Tilt your head to the side, lower your shoulders down, start massaging the side surface of the neck with your fingers, quite firmly, passing both behind and in front. The main thing, do not touch the spine and do not press on the thyroid gland. In this massage, there are no strict rules. Where it feels good, that's where you work. If you feel pain or tightness, stay there longer, gently knead this area. For example, I have certain points that I always especially like to massage. This movement helps not only to remove puffiness, but also to bring lightness to the face. When the neck muscles are relaxed, lymph and blood circulate freely, and the face looks fresher and more toned. If the neck is tight, the flow of fluid slows down, and everything we do later for the face works worse. That's why the neck is the bridge between the body and the face. Make your fingers like little forks and place them along the ears. Start rubbing the ears with your fingers, not too strongly. Then grab the auricle, gently twist and knead it. You can even massage it from the inside. When we massage the ears, we stimulate many small nerve endings and vessels located on the auricle. Place your fingers under your hair as if glued to the scalp and start gently shifting the scalp forward, backward, to the sides. Do not slide over the hair, move the skin itself, work through the entire head, from the back of the head to the crown. Don't forget about the temples. I think this is one of the most pleasant movements in the morning practice after the neck massage. If you feel that somewhere the skin moves worse, you can give that area a little more attention. This exercise perfectly improves blood circulation, enhances lymph flow from the upper part of the face, helps to remove puffiness, and stimulates hair growth. Now place your hands on your temples and slightly pull them upward toward the crown. Begin to slowly open and close your mouth. When opening, direct your gaze downward. You don't need to open your mouth 100%. 80% is enough. Don't allow clicks, crunching, pain, or any discomfort in the joint area. This is very important. Don't ignore it. Make sure the jaw doesn't wander side to side. Just become aware of this movement. Let it be controlled and smooth. This exercise helps release excess tension from the chewing muscles, relax the jaw, and improve facial symmetry. Place the tip of your tongue on the upper palate and gently press against it. At this moment, the lower part of your chin will start to engage. Feel how it slightly tenses. Put your palm in the center of your chin and try to press with your tongue while creating light resistance with your hand. This movement strengthens the hyoid muscles, improves the tone of the lower face contour, and helps to remove excess fluid from under the chin. If you feel that your chewing muscles are tensing, reduce the pressure, do it more gently, and at the end, lightly pat the double chin area. This is one of the most effective movements for awakening the lower part of the face. Now we'll work on the middle part of the face. Inflate your cheeks, directing the air downward, and use your hands to create resistance, preventing the air from escaping. At the same time, keep your lips tightly pressed against your teeth. The air should be only in the lower part of the cheeks, not behind the lips. If you feel your shoulders or neck tensing, place your elbows on the table and relax your body. Do several repetitions and hold for about 10 seconds, maintaining gentle pressure. The exercise combines muscle strengthening and internal lymph drainage, giving a noticeable visual effect. The face becomes more lifted, firm, and awake. At the end, place your fingers on this area and make light vibrating movements to release tension. Place your index finger under the tip of your nose, slightly open your mouth, and try to lower the finger down using the nose. At the same time, you will feel how the upper lip becomes engaged. Don't frown. If your forehead or eyebrows start to tense, place your fingers on the brows and gently hold them. This exercise helps activate the muscles that leave the upper lip and the area under the nose. Thanks to this, the nasolabial folds become softer and the face looks younger. At the end, tuck your lips behind your teeth and move your fingers along the sides of your nose with light vibrating movements to release residual tension. Tuck your lips behind your teeth and fix this position. Now start to smile. Even though your lips don't move. Imagine you really want to smile, but your lips can't move. If your muscle movement isn't visible, like mine, that's okay. The main thing is to feel the internal engagement of the muscles. Hold for 10 seconds in a static position. Breathe calmly. The muscles tense without movement while the skin stays still. Essentially, this isn't just a smile, but a muscular workout with internal resistance, similar to static strength training in fitness. Place your fists under the bone of the upper jaw, right under the cheekbones, and gently lie down on them, feeling support. Stay in this position for a few seconds, then begin to slowly roll from the center toward the sides. Movements are short, smooth, with light pressure. If you feel soreness, that's normal. There are trigger points here that often get overstrained. Breathe calmly and let your face fully relax. Keep your shoulders down, don't push your head forward. Form your fingers into the shape of binoculars, turn them slightly downward and place them around your eyes, fixing the circular muscle. Gently open your fingers to the sides, as if expanding a diaphragm. Now, open your eyes wide, then squint. Feel how the muscles work against the resistance of your hands. This exercise strengthens the circular eye muscle, improves circulation, and makes your gaze more open. It not only removes puffiness but also increases skin tone under the eyes, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and makes the area around the eyes firmer. At the end, a soft finger shower. Lightly tap around the eyes, lift your gaze upward, and blink. This relieves remaining tension and gives the eyes clarity and brightness. Final exercise. Using your knuckles, start filing the forehead from the bottom up, from the eyebrows to the hairline. Do it confidently but without pain. It may feel slightly sensitive, especially if you often frown or spend a lot of time in front of screens. Continue for about a minute, feeling the skin warm up, blood flow increase, and the forehead smooth out from within. The final exercise completes the practice and helps finish everything we started earlier. That's it for today. You don't have to do this routine every day. 5 to 6 times a week is enough. If you felt the result, like the video, save it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next routines. See you in the next one.